Discover the charm of log cabin living as we explore various log cabin kits perfect for every budget and lifestyle, from cozy escapes to luxurious retreats. Begin your journey with the most affordable options, ideal for budget-conscious families looking for a cozy weekend retreat amidst nature's beauty. These kits typically feature basic designs, emphasizing functionality over extravagance while maintaining that classic log cabin aesthetic that enchants everyone. Next, let's explore mid-range options that add a bit more space and comfort, catering to families wanting a cozy yet functional home. These kits often boast additional bedrooms and common areas, providing room for relaxation and gatherings while maintaining an inviting cabin feel. One popular choice is the 2-bedroom model, perfect for families or friends seeking the perfect getaway without breaking the bank. For those looking for something unique, consider customizable kits that allow buyers some design freedom to build their dream cabin. These customizable kits let you choose sizes, layouts, and finishes, ensuring that your cabin reflects your personal style and needs perfectly. Now let's elevate our standards and explore the luxurious log cabin kits available for those who desire spacious and upscale living. These upscale cabins often feature open floor plans and high-end finishes, blending comfort with elegance to create stunning mountain retreats. One standout option is the 3-bedroom log cabin, ideal for families looking for ample space and a luxurious vacation experience. Next, we'll delve into the unique features that make these luxurious kits a worthy investment for those seeking an exclusive getaway. Energy efficiency is also essential, with many kits incorporating eco-friendly materials and technology to enhance sustainability and lower utility costs. Moving on, let's examine the costs associated with these diverse log cabin kits, providing insight into your investment options. For the budget-friendly kit, prices can start as low as a few $1,000s, making it a great option for many families. Mid-range kits can usually be found between $20,000 to $50,000, depending on the size and materials chosen for construction. For those considering luxurious options, expect to spend upwards of $70,000 or more, reflecting the premium quality and amenities provided. Remember, additional costs for site preparation, permits, and utilities should also be factored into your total budget for a log cabin project. Now, let's investigate the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect log cabin kit for your needs and budget. Location is crucial. Ensure you select a site that complements your chosen style, maximizing the cabin's potential within its natural surroundings. Evaluate designs that align with your lifestyle, whether you prefer a cozy retreat or a spacious family abode for entertainment and relaxation. Maintenance is another pivotal aspect to consider. Choose materials that require minimal upkeep and withstand the elements for long-lasting enjoyment. As we near the end, let's discuss financing options available for purchasing or constructing your log cabin kit, making your dreams a reality. Traditional mortgages may work for many kits, while specialty loans designed for log homes often yield better terms and lower interest rates. Alternative options such as personal loans or community programs can help provide the necessary capital for those looking to invest in a log cabin. Don't overlook the importance of planning and budgeting for future maintenance costs, as they will play a role in your long-term investment. As you embark on this journey, remember that patience and research are key to finding the right log cabin kit for your unique needs. Each decision made today will play a significant role in shaping your future cabin experience, creating a special haven for years to come. In conclusion, embracing the log cabin lifestyle is a rewarding endeavor that fosters a strong connection to nature and cherished memories. With a variety of options available, everyone can find a cabin that perfectly aligns with their budget and personal preferences. Let your imagination soar as you envision your future log cabin, a beautiful sanctuary awaiting your special touch and personal flair. So whether you desire a budget-friendly cabin or a luxurious retreat, The right kit is out there waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned for more insights into each kit's features, helping you make informed decisions as you approach your cabin building journey. Through expert guides and community discussions, gather knowledge and connect with others, sharing your passion for log cabin living. Expand your horizons by learning from experienced cabin builders, ensuring you avoid common pitfalls and embrace best practices in construction. And don't forget to connect with local suppliers, as sourcing quality materials can significantly influence your cabin's durability and aesthetic. Additionally, consider the ecological impact of your choices, as sustainable materials can positively contribute to the environment and preserve natural beauty. To wrap up, embrace the joy of crafting your log cabin, ensuring every decision infuses your personality and creates a cherished retreat. With dreams and determination, your ultimate log cabin awaits just beyond the horizon, ready to fulfill the aspirations you hold dear. As you embark on this fulfilling adventure, remember to enjoy every step along the way, transforming your vision into reality bit by bit. Celebrate the process of building, as each log placed has a story and every corner reflects your aspirations and a newfound lifestyle. Ultimately, your log cabin will become more than just a home. It will embody the memories, laughter, and love shared within its walls. So, take the plunge into log cabin living, where comfort meets beauty, and every sunrise brings a new opportunity for adventure. Together with family and loved ones, each moment in your log cabin will form cherished experiences that last a lifetime, enriching every heart. Thank you for exploring the diverse world of log cabin kits with us. Embrace your journey and make your cabin dreams come true today.